Welcome to Real English, Episode 6 from Vivid English Avenue. Do you want your English to sound natural like a native speaker? Today, we're going to learn 3 very useful collocations. But wait, what is a collocation? A collocation is words that naturally go together. Using them correctly makes your English sound smooth and correct. Let's see how it works with a story. I have a short story using all 3 collocations. You might understand it fully or not at first, and that's okay. Just listen carefully, then I'll explain everything. Here's the story. Alex wanted to start a new hobby. He decided to make a decision and learn to paint. At first, he felt nervous, but he was determined to gain experience. After a few weeks, Alex's paintings improved. He felt proud of his work and decided to take a break to enjoy the beautiful view outside. Alex realized that starting something new, gaining experience, and practicing regularly can make a big difference in life. Now that you've heard the story, let's look at the 3 collocations from it. Make a decision. Make a decision. This means to choose or decide something important. In the story, Alex had to make a decision to start painting. This means he had to choose what to do and take action. Everyday example. I need to make a decision about my weekend plans. Gain experience. Gain experience. This means to get skills or knowledge by doing something. In the story, Alex practiced painting every day to gain experience. This means he learned new skills by doing it himself. Everyday example. I want to gain experience in cooking before I work in a restaurant. Take a break. Take a break. This means to rest for a short time. In the story, Alex took a break to enjoy the view. This means he paused his work or practice to relax. Everyday example. I take a break after studying for 2 hours. See? These collocations are easy to understand when you connect them to a story. Let's listen to the story again. This time, try to catch the collocations as you hear them. Alex wanted to start a new hobby. He decided to make a decision and learn to paint. At first, he felt nervous, but he was determined to gain experience. After a few weeks, Alex's paintings improved. He felt proud of his work and decided to take a break to enjoy the beautiful view outside. Alex realized that starting something new, gaining experience, and practicing regularly can make a big difference in life. Great! Now let's review the collocations. Make a decision. Choose or decide something important. Gain experience. Get skills or knowledge by doing something. Take a break. Rest for a short time. Let's see how well you remember. Choose the correct option. You make a decision. To get better at something, you need to gain experience. After studying or working, you should take a break. Now it's your turn. Can you make a sentence using one of these collocations? Pause the video and try it. Excellent work! Today you learned 3 very useful collocations. Make a decision, gain experience, and take a break. Remember, collocations make your English sound natural, smooth, and correct. Practice them in your daily life, and soon your English will sound like a native speaker's. If this lesson helps you, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below what you learned. Thanks for watching Real English, Episode 6 from Vivid English Avenue. See you in the next lesson. Bye! Vivid English Avenue Stories Channel.